Hello students, today we will learn the next illustration number 13. See the illustration. From the following particulars, compute the taxable value of supply of services by Krishna Hotel, Mysore. Also calculate the GST payable at 18%. See the continuation. Under that first one, rent a room to a guest rupees 8,000 per day for 8 days, served alcoholic drink for inmates of hotels rupees 4 lakh, served aerated drinks at hotel rupees 50,000, rented cars and the amount received from a hotel guest rupees 50,000, amount collected regarding provision of food rupees 8 lakh, a decorated function hall rented out to a Moon Company Limited and amount received rupees 30,000 per day for 4 days. Laundry services provided of rupees 54,000, beauty parlor service charge rupees 7,500, collection charges from gymnasium service rupees 25,500, Wi-Fi charges collected from the guest rupees 10,500, club facilities available by guest rupees 60,000, amount collected from swimming wares rupees 25,000. So with this information we have to compute the taxable value of services as well as the GST payable. So these are the services. So here we have to take the total taxable value of services and what is the GST payable for the GST payable by the Krishna Hotel, Mysore. So here from the following particulars we have to compute the taxable value of supply of services for the Krishna Hotel, Mysore. The applicable GST rate is 18% for the total value of services. It is applicable on the total value of services. For each services there is no separate tax rate. We have to calculate the 18% on the total value of services. So here rent a room to a guest rupees 8,000 per day for 8 days. So this is a taxable service. So this is we are calculating taxable supply of services in the case of hotels. So here room has been given to a guest for a rent. So that is the rent is 8,000 per day for 8 days. So up to 1,000 per day is not taxable, sir. It is exempt services up to 1,000 per day. So 8,000 per day is taxable. 8,000 into 8 for 8 days rent is received. So 8,000 into 8 is a taxable service. So this 8,000 into 8 we have to take. Then served alcoholic drink for inmates of hotel. So here this hotel has been served alcoholic drinks for the inmates of hotel, means hotel guest. So this alcoholic drinks is non-taxable GST. It is non-GST item. So for this 4 lakh there is no tax will be, no GST will be levied. Next, served aerated drinks in hotel. So this is taxable. Aerated drinks is taxable. So 50,000 we have to take. Here 80,000 into 8. Then rented cars and amount received from hotel guest. So rented car, so here this hotel has rented a car and rented a car to a hotel guest and amount received is 50,000. It is taxable, so we have to take under taxable supply. Then amount collected regarding provision of food. For provision of food, so this hotel has collected the amount of rupees 8 lakh. So this is also we have to add. It is taxable. Then a decorated function hall is rented to a Moon Company Limited and from them amount received is 30,000 per day. So it is taxable. So 30,000 into 4. Total 4 days per day rent is 30,000. So 30,000 into 4. So this is a taxable. Then laundry services provided 54,000 taxable. So this is also taxable. Then beauty parlor service charges are taxable. Collection from a gymnasium service 25,500 is taxable. Wi-Fi charges collected from a guest of a hotel, so it is taxable. Next, club facilities available by guest rupees 60,000. So here club facilities, here any services by a hotel like maybe the residence or lodging or club facilities not taxable. So this is not taxable. Then amount collected from swimming wares is taxable. So it is taxable. So we have to calculate the taxable value of services. So which are the taxable, we have to take only that amount, and here this one is non-taxable. This is non-taxable. For this two value we have to take non-taxable. For others we have to take the value and we have to total, and on that total value we have to calculate the GST payable. GST payable, that is at 18%. So this is the value of services provided in the hotel. So it is within the state. So within the state. So CGST and SGST we have to calculate. So now write the heading computation of taxable value of services. So two column, draw two column, particulars and amount column. So this is not required, particulars and amount column. So under that we have to write one by one. First one is rent a room to a guest 8,000 per day. So rent a room to a guest 8,000 into 8. So directly write the amount in the amount column 64,000. Don't write this treatment, don't want the treatment. Then second one is services served alcoholic drink for inmates of hotel. Served alcoholic drinks. So write served alcoholic drink for inmates of hotel. So it is non-taxable. Write here non-taxable, not this here. Right, non-taxable here. So don't write amount, non-taxable. Next third one is served aerated drinks at hotel. So served drinks at hotel is taxable. So 50,000 we have to take. Then rented cars and amount received from a hotel guest is 50,000. So it is taxable. So we have to write the amount 50,000. So no need of this column. Okay. Directly you write in the amount column. Draw only one amount column. Next amount collected regarding provision of food is taxable. So provision of food is taxable. Then decorated function hall. So this amount received is 30,000 for 4 days. So 30,000 into 4 we have to take. So it is 1,20,000. Then laundry services provided is 54,000 taxable. Then beauty parlor services is 7,500 we have to take in the amount column. Collection charges from gymnasium services rupees 25,500 is taxable. Then Wi-Fi charges collected from a guest also taxable. Then club facility is right here non-taxable. Then amount collected for swimming ways is 25,000. So don't put this column. So total is equal to taxable value of service is equal to 12,06,500. So this is a taxable value of service. Now next write the heading computation of GST payable. Under that CGST is at, so total GST is 18%. So we have to divide CGST at 9% and SGST at 9%. So this GST is calculated on the taxable value of service or a taxable supply of service. So 12,06,500 into 9%. So the 1,08,585 CGST and 1,08,585 is a SGST. So the total GST payable will be 2,17,170. Next, see the illustration number 14. Important question it is. See here, a dealer of Mumbai entered into a contract with the supplier in Kerala for the delivery of a machinery along with the essential accessories. From the following information, calculate the transaction value and GST payable. Machinery cost including GST is rupees 11,20,000. So under that, following expenses are not included. Installation charges rupees 80,000, primary and secondary packing rupees 20,000, design charges rupees 10,000, bought out accessories not essential for its working rupees 1 lakh were supplied along with the machine. Following are the included in the price. So under that, durable and returnable packing rupees 50,000, GST rate at 12% on machinery, 18% on accessories, traded as the practice of allowing 5% discount on the cost of machinery. He had purchased inputs on which he paid IGST of rupees 42,000. So this is a very important question. This question is asked for the year BCom Mangalore University question paper 2019. See here, a dealer of Mumbai entered into a contract with the supplier in Kerala. So this illustration is similar to the first and second illustration what we saw in this chapter. First and second illustration. So here a dealer of Mumbai entered into a contract with the supplier of Kerala. So Mumbai and Kerala, so we have to take IGST here. Mumbai and Kerala, two state, we have to apply IGST. So here for the delivery of a machinery along with the essential accessories. From the following information, we have to calculate the transaction value and GST payable. So we have to calculate the transaction value and GST payable. So that is nothing but IGST we have to calculate. So So to calculate the transaction value, they have given information is machinery cost including GST 11,20,000 is given. So here they have given including GST. So machinery cost, for computing the transaction value, we have to take the machinery cost excluding GST. So they have given including GST. So here in this price 11,20,000, GST will be included. So what is the GST rate on machinery? So that is the GST rate of machinery is 12%. So in this 11,20,000, GST rate is included, means here GST also included in this price. In this machinery cost, GST price also included. So to compute the transaction value, we have to exclude this GST. So that is nothing but we have to cross multiply. It is nothing but, so this 11,20,000 is given for including GST, means the price is taken as 100. So the 12% is the tax included, means 100 plus 12. So actual cost is taken as 100 and tax is included, means 12% tax is included. So it is 11,20,000 is given for the 112%. We want the excluding GST. We want excluding GST. So excluding GST is nothing but for 100 how much? So that is nothing but we have to do the cross multiplication. 11,20,000 into 100 divided by 112. We have to do the cross multiplication while taking the machinery cost. Excluding GST we have to take. So excluding GST we have to take the value. So this is calculation we have to do while taking the machinery cost. Next, following expenses are not included. So in this machinery cost, the following expenses are not included. So it is a expenses which is relating to the machinery supply. So we have to add these expenses. So installation charges of this machinery is inclusions we have to add. Primary and secondary packing also inclusions we have to add. Design charges is inclusions we have to add. Bought out accessories not essential for its working 1 lakh were supplied along with the machine. So this is also inclusions we have to add. Accessories supplied along with the machinery also we have to add, but here it is not essential for its working. So they have here the supply is delivery of machinery along with the essential accessories, but this brought out accessory is not essential for its working, is nothing but this is a mixed supply. This is a case of mixed supply. So in the case of mixed supply, tax rate applicable is we have to take the, in the case of mixed supply they will give two tax rate. GST rate on machinery and GST rate on accessories. So in the case of mixed supply we have to take the highest tax rate. So the highest tax rate is here is 12% and 18%. Here the highest tax rate is 18%. So 18% is the tax applicable. So here IGST we have to calculate on the transaction value is 18%, not 12%. But while calculating the excluding GST, here we have to take 12%, that is of a machinery. Okay, but the final answer we have to calculate 18% on the total supply. So that is why we have to take is because of this sentence. It is not essential for working means it is a mixed supply. In the case of mixed supply, the tax rate applicable is the highest tax rate of that supply. So in the supply there are two supply, machinery and accessories. So here highest tax rate applicable is 18%. So this one will be taken for the IGST calculation. Next, following are included in the price. So the following amount have been included in the price. So that we have to see whether this following amount is inclusions or exclusion. So durable and returnable packing is not an inclusion, it is exclusions, but they have included. So we have to deduct it. Then this is a GST rate. Next, trader has a practice of allowing 5% discount on the cost of machinery. So we have to calculate the 5% discount on the cost of machinery. So this is not a cost 11,20,000. We have to take the cost that is from a solution. So after this cross multiplication we will get the answer as 10 lakh. So on that 10 lakh, this is nothing but the actual cost. On the actual cost we have to calculate the 5% discount. So that is the exclusion. So this is a discount is exclusions we have to deduct. Then he had purchased input on which he paid IGST is 42,000. So here this dealer has purchased an input. For that he had paid IGST 42,000. So the tax what he paid for the input, he can claim a credit. ITC can be eligible for the input, whatever the tax paid on the input. So this is the tax paid on a input, is for that he can claim a deduction. Input tax credit can be claimed. So from the total tax we can deduct this 42,000, means he can get an advantage of deducting the ITC what he paid a tax on input. Okay, so this 42,000 we have to deduct at the end. This is not we have to deduct here, we have to deduct at the end from a tax liability, from tax liability. Now we'll work out the solution. Write the heading computation of transaction value, particulars and to amount column. So we have to start with the machinery cost. So write machinery cost, the cost of machinery, how much cost of machinery we have to take first, cost of machinery or machinery cost. So while calculating transaction value, all the values should be excluding GST. Okay, we have to take the value excluding GST. So in this question they have given including GST, so that is 11,20,000 they have given, that is including GST. So we have to cross this 11,20,000 is given for including GST, means for 1112. So then for 100 how much, we have to do cross multiplication. For 100 how much, so that is nothing but 11,20,000 into 100 divided by 112. So remember, when they give including GST, we have to do calculation 11 lakh, the given value into 100 divided by the tax rate of that one, plus 100 plus we have to give the tax rate applicable to that machinery. So 100 divided by 112. If it is 5% tax rate, then 100 divided by 105, if that we have to do. So 11,20,000 into 100 by 112 is nothing but is equal to 10 lakh. So this is the cost of machinery. Next we have to add the inclusions. So we'll take one by one all the inclusions. So here we have to take the inclusions: installation charges, primary and secondary packing, design charges, and the brought out accessories. So total 4 inclusions. So add one by one. So the total of inclusions 1 lakh plus 2 lakh, 2,10,000. So the total of inclusion is 2,10,000. So 10 lakh plus 2,10,000 is equal to 12,10,000. So from this we have to deduct the exclusions. So there is no markup. So next we have to deduct the exclusions. So under exclusions we have here one is durable and returnable packing, and one more is discount. So right, so durable and returnable packing value is how much? Value is equal to 50,000. And next is a discount. Discount here in this question, discount is given on cost of machinery, that is at 5%. Discount at 5% we have to calculate, that is on cost of machinery. So to take the cost of machinery, we have to take this value 10 lakh, not the value what is given in the question. So the question in the question they have given including GST. So the discount is calculated on the cost which is excluding GST. So that is on 10 lakh we have to calculate. 10 lakh into 5% is a discount. So that is nothing but 50,000. So 50,000 plus 50,000 is equal to 1 lakh. So 12,10,000 minus 1 lakh is equal to 11,10,000. So 11,10,000 is a transaction value. So there is no profit or markup value is given, transaction value or assessable value or taxable value of supply. So on this 11,10,000 we have to calculate the tax. So the tax applicable here is IGST, and that is at 18% we have to calculate. So now write computation of GST payable. So here in this question they have given dealer from Mumbai and Kerala. So interstate supply. So in the case of interstate supply, what is the tax applicable? Interstate supply, what is the tax applicable? IGST. So IGST is calculated on the 11,10,000. 11,10,000 is the supply. On that we have to calculate the IGST. So the tax rate applicable here is 18%. So 18% IGST, 11,10,000 into 18% is equal to 1,99,800. 1,99,800. This is the total GST payable. So here this dealer has purchased input for this supply. For that he has paid IGST is 42,000. For this input whatever the tax paid can be deductible. So deduct minus ITC, input tax credit, eligible on purchases, purchase of input. So what is the input tax credit? What is the tax paid on input? That is 42,000. So that amount we can deduct from a total tax payable. So that is nothing but 1,57,800 is a total GST payable. IGST payable. Next, write note here. This bought out accessories are not essential for the working of machinery. So this supply is considered as a mixed supply, hence GST applicable here is the highest rate of GST. That is nothing but among 12% and 18% we have to take the highest tax rate is 18% here for calculation purpose. So this is the last illustration from this chapter.